जहाँ जहाँ पर आपको गड्ढे दिखाई देंगे वहाँ पर आप अपने प्लांट रख सकते हैं और वहाँ पर आप यहाँ पे वहाँ भी लेके आ रहे हैं पूरे खींच लो ऐसे नहीं। इसकी जड़ें तो गहरी है आगे, इसको चारों तरफ से कवर कर देंगे। पानी खत्म हो गया तो खराब हो जाएगा। पानी देना है। हाँ तो वैसे भी ना पेड़ है वहाँ लगते हैं। हमने भी 2 पेड़ लगाया है। These are the real guardians actually. Hi George, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
My name is Bansal.
Oh,
George, obviously you belong to Kerala.
yes, sir.
मेरा सर नंबर ले लीजिए सर, आप मेरे को फोटो भेज दीजिए। सर बस यही दबाना बटन सर फोटो खींचने के लिए। फोटो डालो आ गया। इतनी सारी फोटो लेना है। आ जाओ। हाँ खोल देंगे ये पार्ट टाइम जॉब।
अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस।
350 कैलोरी तो लूज होगी। 350 कैलोरी हो तो ना मुर्गा खा लेना। कैलोरी सारी
Even
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
ये सारी क्या और नहीं तो पानी आके इसके अंदर भरेगा वो खराब हो जाएगा। ज़्यादा पानी हो गया तो
अच्छा चल जाएगा।
दिस इज एक्चुअली बाउंड्री और हम बाद में पानी अंदर डाल दिया तो ये बाहर भी नहीं जाएगा।
भाई साहब दुख की बात है कि आज यूपी में वो 1000 पेड़
See, it was a very amazing experience we have today. I think I never thought in my life that we require so much vegetation, so many plants for our future generations. I really feel a lot of satisfaction that I am doing something for my present generation and my for future generations also. And I thanks Mr. Santosh George who made us to realize what is the importance of these plants. and now we understand, and probably in our rest of the life we will keep on doing such efforts, such initiatives, which will help our generation and next generation to get a good vegetation and good fruits and vegetables of future. Thank you.
When we were told that we'll be going with the Plant Foundation to plant trees, so around like 60 volunteers which came from Sanofi, all were from Delhi and NCR, which we came here in Rao Tularam Hospital, and we were told by We Plant Foundation that how many seeds basically we waste every day, every year, and they have the potential of blossoming into the full trees, and they can give fruits and food to those people who are underprivileged and who are not so blessed and lucky as we people are, who waste them in day in and day out. So when I was sharing the experiences, all other guys who were planting the trees and the saplings with us, we could see the happiness in their faces, and they were very happy as it was reflecting to their faces that they are giving something to the society in return without asking anything in return. So this was a great cause which we became a part of, thanks to Sanofi for making us a part of it, and thanks to We Care Foundation, We Plant Foundation, and thanks to Mr. Santosh George who made us available for this noble cause. Thank you.
Being a part of Sanofi, I would like to thanks, and because this is the cause of humankind, and planting a tree is giving a life to the next generation. This is my view.
Yeah, it was really a wonderful experience. Yeah, I should increase my voice. Okay, it was a good experience, and getting to know what trees and plants can do for us. Seed bank was one idea which I liked very much. I think I'm going to take it forward, and of course get it to my kids also, because this will help our future generations. And this is the first time I've been involved into such activity, and planting 1 or 2 trees can really make a difference, which I felt. Thank you so much for allowing us to be part of this initiative. So it was a good experience. I'm sure I'll take it forward further also.
I'm feeling very happy that I'm able to do something for my new generation, of course for my children, and of course I'll come over here and see the trees which I've planted, growing them up like my children. So I'm very happy today.
And of course many of us have got an own experience. So We Plant has arranged certificate for participation in this activity. So I will now make Sanjeev. So friends, may know who has not received the certificate. Sorry, on behalf of Sanofi, I am thankful to Santosh and management of this hospital, and to you for giving this opportunity to do something noble, something great which we never thought of, and we are looking forward in the future also for such kind of contribution.
Thank you, Sanofi. Thank you, We Plant NGO, and sir, everybody who is Mr. Sijo, and all of you who have taken out your precious time for this drive in the hospital. Definitely gives us a big satisfaction that you people have taken up this initiative, and definitely will see to it that all the lungs survive and get adopted by one star pledge. So, thank you very much.
Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. Actually, I was very excited from the morning. Previously, I have not thought of joining this drive, but I called my APM to include me into this initiative. And after becoming a part of it, I am very happy that I have been a part of such a good mission to plant trees so that we can save some oxygen, we can generate some oxygen and even fruits for the patients visiting here and oxygen for the future generation. Thank you so much.
Good morning friends, first of all I would like to thank We Plant, Sanofi and we all for this noble cause, and I would like to request you all that please don't stop this mission here, and please impact at least 2 people around your surroundings, and we should not stop this noble cause. Please impact at least 2 people to your neighborhood. Thank you.
का मौका दिया, इसके लिए मैं आप सबका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। धन्यवाद। मनजीत का मतलब होता है मन बजीत। ठीक है जी। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आकर के आज एक छोटी सी 4 लाइनें जो मैं आपके सामने रखना चाहता हूँ और आशीर्वाद चाहता हूँ कि आप ताली बजा करके उसका स्वागत करें। हमारे हैं, ये सब हमें प्यार करते हैं, सर्दी गर्मी सहते हैं, नहीं कभी कुछ कहते हैं, फल मेवे बरसाते हैं, हम सब मिलकर खाते हैं। आओ इनसे प्यार करें, हम सब मिलकर हरा भरा संसार करें। धन्यवाद।
लेके आओ।
पानी होता है।
स्वागत एक बार सभी वेलकम।
ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन वी हैव अ प्लांटेशन ड्राइव। आइए आप अपने हाथों से लगाइए। एक एनजीओ आए हैं और ये वी प्लांट की तरफ से मिस्टर संतोष और सनोफी की तरफ से हाँ सारे वॉलंटियर्स आए अराउंड 60।
तो ट्री गार्डन
सबसे पहले तो एनजीओ सोफी को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। आपने एक बहुत अच्छा ड्राइव चलाया है जिससे ना सिर्फ एक आम जनता के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, देश समाज के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बल्कि पर्यावरण के लिए भी ये बहुत अच्छा है। अगर ये पर्यावरण में शुद्ध हवा आती रहे, शुद्धिकरण अगर होता रहे तो हमें दवाइयों
Today there was a drive of planting 100 fruit trees from NGO We Plant with the help of another group, Sanofi, and there was a drive from morning till afternoon, and we had a successful plantation drive, and these plants, I am ensuring that they will grow to full size and fruit. I thank We Plant for this initiative and will go hand in hand for any such endeavor in the future. I thank you very much.